Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by saving a backup and staying practical. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, open the workbook and select the protected sheet. You need to verify protection appears under the Review tab. Next, choose Unprotect sheet. If Excel prompts for a password, enter it. If you know the password, type it carefully and press Enter. That immediately restores edit access. Make sure to note why the sheet was protected, because that informs the next steps. If a password is required and you possess it, enter the password and the sheet unlocks. This is the fastest route. If the password is unknown, you proceed with approved recovery. Try documented admin passwords, check team notes, or use Excel's allowed management tools. Never use unapproved third-party crackers. Once you regain access, copy critical ranges into a new sheet if any features remain restricted, because copying often clears cell-level restrictions. To finish, confirm cells and formulas behave as expected, and if necessary, reapply protection with a documented password so the same problem won't recur. If Unprotect fails, make sure workbook-level protection or shared workbook settings aren't blocking changes. Disable those first. Also, check for worksheet code in VBA or hidden workbook structure elements that can enforce locks. Inspect the VBA project. If you find VBA-based protection, you'll need proper access or admin approval to remove it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.